Tesla stock is a top pick for Morgan Stanley. December 22, 2022. Tesla's stock is way down on the year, but some think the automaker could have a sizable upside in the future. Many analysts view Tesla's low stock price as a chance to see serious value growth, including investment firm Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley called Tesla one of its top picks for 2023 earlier this month, highlighting increasing competition and the company's dominant position amidst a bear market. As detailed in a report from Tesla RT, the firm also maintained a price target of $330, while some other analysts have dropped their own targets on Tesla's stock. While we see 2023 as a challenging year for the EV market categorically, we believe Tesla's gap to competition can widen, wrote Morgan Stanley in a note to clients. The news opposes recent moves by fellow investing firm Goldman Sachs, which recently cut Tesla's stock price target from $305 to $235 on account of Elon Musk's Twitter affairs. Still, many consider Tesla's financial details sound, from its high earnings and profitability to its low debt compared to the competition. However, some analysts predict that tech stocks could still fall, causing a level of caution among investors. Another factor affecting stocks across the board is the precarious nature of the current bear market, as the U.S. Federal Reserve has pushed interest rates upward to combat inflation. The Morgan Stanley position is categorized by Tesla RT as cautious optimism, and it comes ahead of Tesla's plans to begin producing the Cybertruck in 2023, and on the heels of the company's first semi-deliveries to PepsiCo. Tesla also plans to announce another factory around the end of the year, according to Musk, which recent reports allege will be unveiled in Mexico in early 2023. Additionally, Tesla is still ramping up production at its new Texas and Berlin-Brandenburg Gigafactories, the latter of which also added an extra shift to its schedule this month. With new products and growth on the horizon, it could be a stock worth watching in the new year. In any case, there's no way to predict what Tesla's stock could do in the coming months. Several analysts and Musk himself have even called the stock inflated at times, and bearish investor expectations have become common on Wall Street in recent months. However, those who already hold the stock and plan to wait out the recession could be in for long-term opportunity, while other bulls point out the low buy-in price for Tesla's shares. Source reposted and summarized from Peter McGuffrey at Avanex. My take: of course Tesla is a top pick for Morgan Stanley. Remember, buy low, sell high. Munro Live announces Tesla Semi Teardown. December 22, 2022. The recently launched Tesla Semi is considered one of the most interesting new electric vehicles on the market, and Munro and Associates would like to conduct a full teardown of the truck. Munro Live, the YouTube arm of the company, just announced the launch of a crowdfunding campaign, Uncle Sandy Sticker, Tesla Semi fundraiser, to raise some $200,000 for the project. We are selling stickers yet again. This time, we're raising money to buy a Tesla Semi to tear down. This is a similar campaign to that of the Tesla Model S Plaid in 2021, which resulted in a high number of episodes related to particular elements of the car, including the structural battery and the 4680 type cylindrical battery cells. The amount is expected to cover the purchase of the vehicle, while the company would then cover the service, which usually costs a lot more than the vehicle. To reach the goal, the team offers $15 stickers Uncle Sandy Wants You, 4x5, which can be signed by Sandy Munro. The cost is then $50. We can estimate that depending on the version signed or not, the company needs 4,000 to 13,333 supporters. That sounds ambitious but doable, especially if there are also some additional sponsors. However, in the case of failure to acquire a Tesla Semi, it's not sold in the same way as cars or meeting the fundraising goal. All proceeds will be used to fund future Tesla teardowns like the new Tesla Roadster. We're crowdsourcing for our next Tesla teardown. We will do our best to get a Tesla Semi for teardown with the sales of the Uncle Sandy sticker. If we are unable to secure a Semi, the proceeds will be redirected to another Tesla teardown. We really like the idea to continue teardowns of new electric vehicles, combined with the public presentation of the general findings. Of course, more advanced technology and cost analyses are sold separately by the company. There is a lot to be curious about the Tesla Semi, the first Class 8 semi-truck, which has 500 miles, 800 kilometers of range when fully loaded. starting with some basics like the weight of the vehicle, through the new 1000 battery system and tri-motor powertrain, new 1+ megawatt charging system, as well as other solutions. Source reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EV/S. New details surface about Tesla Gigafactory Mexico. December 22, 2022. Yesterday, a Spanish-language website Silicon Technology Powering Business published a few interesting details about Tesla Gigafactory in Mexico, saying initially it will build parts for Tesla cars and ship them to Tesla's other gigafactories. But later Tesla's 6th Gigafactory will probably build the affordable Tesla model, on which Elon Musk has been working lately. So, Tesla's 6th Gigafactory, which is likely to be announced this Friday or in early January, may become Tesla's most expensive Gigafactory. The publication reports. I will have the link of the reference in the description of this video. But now listen to the details, including the cost and initial investment. The one in Monterey would be Tesla's 6th Gigafactory along with those it already has in California, Nevada, New York, Shanghai and Berlin. Tesla continues to expand its network of gigafactories, the large manufacturing plants for batteries and other components for its electric cars. According to this publication, Tesla will build its next gigafactory in Mexico, where the company led by Elon Musk will invest $10 billion. The chosen location is the Mexican state of Nuevo León, specifically in the vicinity of Monterrey, and the initial investment to launch the new Tesla Gigafactory is between $800 million and $1 billion. For a final cost, multiply that amount by 10, which would make it the most expensive Gigafactory ever launched by Tesla. The one recently put into operation in Berlin, by comparison, cost $5.5 billion. Initially, this Gigafactory will be used to manufacture components for existing Tesla models, but later it could be the place where a new model begins to be manufactured. The long-anticipated cheap Tesla, which has been mentioned on multiple occasions by the Musk himself but of which until now neither configuration, nor denomination nor dates of manufacture or sale have been specified. It should be noted that the Mexican state of Nuevo León shares a border with the North American state of Texas, where Tesla has one of its gigafactories, specifically in the town of Austin. Facilities that cost more than $1 billion and that are currently capable of manufacturing 3,000 units of the Model Y every week. In addition, the Gigafactory in Texas is where the production of the Cybertruck will begin. That's Tesla's revolutionary pickup, which, although years late after its initial announcement, will begin to be a reality at the end of 2023. The official announcement of the Monterrey Gigafactory is expected to take place either this Friday, December 23, or already in January 2023. It would be Tesla's 6th manufacturing plant along with those it already has in California, Nevada, New York, Shanghai and Berlin. Source reposted and summarized from Armin Herian at Talk News. My take: Tesla is always expanding to keep up with their insane demand. Tesla ramps up battery production. December 22, 2022. Tesla is increasing production of 4680 battery cells in Fremont by expanding into a new building. The new building is 4 times the size of the building on 4770 Cato Road, hinting at a substantial increase in production capacity. Batteries are key to the successful development of electric vehicles, which is why in 2020, Tesla announced that it had entered the battery business. At Battery Day in September 2020, they presented the 4680 battery cell, which had a number of advantages over the current 2170 cell, including reduced cost. The production lines were originally housed in 2 buildings at the Tesla factory in Fremont, at 47,700 Cato Road and 1055 Page Avenue. It housed pilot lines for the production of revolutionary batteries, which are now used in some Model Es. Although production lines for the 4680 cells are being installed in Giga, Texas and Giga, Berlin, it is clear that with Tesla's plans for the future, there will not be enough of them. Tesla RT learned that the company was expanding its cell production in Fremont, taking over a new building. Tesla's December 21 filing shows the project would cost $1.5 million. The new building is located near 47,700 Cato Road and 1055 Page Avenue production facilities, at 901 Page Avenue. In size, it is about 4 times larger than the 47,700 Cato Road building. According to the application, the cell development lab will be located on the first floor of said building. Earlier, unnamed sources said that initially, production of 4680 battery cells for Cybertruck will be established at the Fremont factory and only later at Giga, Texas. In addition, the battery cells produced here can be used for the Fremont-produced Model S. At the moment, know that Tesla has manufactured Model S with 4680 cells only at Giga, Texas. Source reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian. My take: the 4680s are the best mass-produced batteries in the world right now.